In this video, you'll learn how to set or update a baseline snapshot in Placker. To be able to see the planned and actual dates of your cards on your Gantt chart, and also identify if there was a delay or if the cards are ahead of schedule, it is very important to save a baseline when you have finished your planning, so we have a comparison base after we have the tracking information. So in this example, let's suppose that we have just finished our planning and we didn't start the execution phase yet. So we're going to click Check Plan, select Check Baselines, and click Create New Baseline. We're going to name this Baseline 1 because we can create more than one baseline to this project. Click Save, and now we have this Baseline 1 selected, which will show us the dates of the planned cards. Now click Close Panel, and if we make any changes to reflect the actual status of each card, for example, let's say Research had a delay and didn't start on February 2nd. Instead, it has only started on February 5th. Notice that the blue bar will be updated, but the gray bar, which stands for the baseline, will continue on February 2nd. We can also change the duration of research. Suppose that there was an even bigger delay here. The planning card has also started only on February 8th, but it didn't take until February 14th. Instead, it took until February 18th to be completed. So, as you have seen, we have a big delay on this project, and this can be easily seen when we compare the blue bars, which are on the right of the gray bars, which are the baselines. In case you want to make any change to this baseline, you can click Check Plan, Check Baselines, and create a new one, so you can compare two different moments, or you can hide the baseline if you don't want to see this information right now. Then, close the panel, and you will be back on the regular Gantt chart view.